You ever felt burning tongue, swollen lips or swollen cheeks right after eating pineapple? It could be one of the signs that you are allergic to pineapple. Usually, these symptoms go away after a few minutes or hours and are not dangerous. However, if you eat this fruit in an uncontrolled way, you will easily experience symptoms due to the harmful effects of pineapple such as abdominal pain, nausea, hives, diarrhea. Is it good to eat a lot of pineapple? Pineapple has many ingredients rich in vitamin C, low in calories, does not contain fat and bad cholesterol. In 100 grams of pineapple, there are about 90.5 grams of water, 0.8 grams of protein, 1 gram of organic acids, 6.5 glucid, 15 milligrams of calcium, 17 milligrams of phosphorus, 0.5 milligrams of iron, 24 milligrams of vitamin C and many other vitamins such as vitamins B1, B2. Therefore, pineapple will bring many health benefits such as strengthening the immune system, protecting eyesight, improving digestion, anti-inflammatory. With a high nutritional content, this fruit is very popular in summer days. However, is it good to eat more pineapple, can add more nutrients? The answer is definitely no, because in some cases, eating a lot of pineapple can lead to poisoning or a very dangerous, even fatal, food allergy. Let's learn about 13 serious harmful effects of pineapple and how to avoid eating pineapple for good health. 1. Allergic reaction. Pineapple has the potential to lead to allergic reactions in some people. Because this fruit has meat tenderizing properties, it can cause symptoms such as swollen lips, swollen cheeks, a burning tongue or an itchy throat. In some cases, pineapple also causes itching, discomfort and hives. Before eating raw pineapple, you should cut pineapple slices and soak them in light salted water for about 10 minutes because salt can kill bacteria, fungi and inhibit proteolytic enzymes so that people do not burn their tongue. People with allergies and children should eat cooked pineapple because under the influence of heat, pineapple will no longer have the ability to cause allergies. 2. Increases blood sugar. Pineapple is one of the fruits with a very high amount of natural sugars, including cane sugar and fruit sugar. Therefore, pineapple has the ability to increase blood sugar and is not good for people with diabetes. Therefore, people with diabetes or high blood pressure should limit eating pineapple and consult a doctor before eating. Most fruits contain carbohydrates that can raise blood sugar. In particular, one pineapple can contain up to 122 grams of carbohydrates, which is more than 40% of your daily carbohydrate intake. 3. Causes blood thinning. Eating a lot of pineapple is more likely to cause a blood-thinning bromelain reaction. Bromelain is an enzyme found in pineapple juice and stems. Bromelain acts as a blood thinner. People taking anticoagulants, bleeding or bleeding should not eat pineapple because it can increase the risk of bleeding, causing excessive bleeding. Some medications that slow blood clotting include aspirin, clopidogrel, Plavix, diclofenac, ibuprofen, naproxen, dalteparin, fragmin, enoxaparin, Lovenox, heparin, and warfarin, Coumadin. You need to avoid consuming foods containing bromelain before and 2 weeks after surgery to prevent the risk of blood thinning. 4. Interaction with drugs. Pineapple can interact with some medications causing side effects. This situation will happen when you eat fresh pineapple while taking certain antibiotics such as amoxicillin and tetracycline. This leads to an increase in side effects caused by these antibiotics such as chest pain, nosebleeds, chills, fever, and dizziness. Besides, people who are taking anticonvulsant drugs should not eat pineapple. 5. Damage to teeth. Although eating a little pineapple will help clean stains on the tooth surface, too much pineapple can be harmful to teeth because the high acidity in pineapple changes the color of teeth, causing yellowing, erosion of enamel. Teeth, causing gingivitis and tooth decay. This will make the teeth more sensitive, causing sensitivity when eating hot or cold foods as well as acidic or spicy foods. If you brush your teeth after eating pineapple, your teeth will hurt even more because the enamel will be softened by the acid and more easily worn. It is best to drink some water after eating pineapple to clean your teeth. 6. Respiratory abnormalities. Individuals who suffer from a pineapple allergy may experience some respiratory abnormalities. Pineapple allergy may cause swelling in the face, tongue or throat that may cause difficulty in breathing. If breathing difficulties occur, contact a physician immediately. 7. Cramping. Individuals who are allergic to pineapple may also experience cramping. It is not uncommon for a person with hypersensitivity to pineapple to experience cramping in the lower abdomen. 8. Anaphylaxis. Individuals with a severe allergy to pineapple may experience anaphylaxis as a result of pineapple consumption. Anaphylaxis is a severe, total body allergic reaction that can result in excessive swelling to the face and throat, making breathing impossible. Individuals may lose consciousness because of their inability to breathe, and a drastic drop in blood pressure may occur. If treatment is not administered immediately to a person with anaphylaxis, there is a high probability that death will occur. 9. Burning mouth syndrome. Burning mouth syndrome is a condition that is not fully understood. Some people are highly sensitive to the foods they consume, which can lead to mild to severe pain in the tongue and mouth. The condition mostly affects postmenopausal women and might be related to damage to the nerves in the tongue. The burning pain sensation might remain consistent throughout the day, or eating certain foods might trigger symptoms. Sometimes, though, the burning stems from acid coming into contact with oral mouth sores, like canker sores. 10. Irritation of oral allergy syndrome. Oral allergy syndrome, or pollen and food allergy syndrome, occurs when the body has an allergic reaction to airborne particles such as dust and pollen. Allergic reactions also appear to some fresh fruits and vegetables such as celery, dill, carrots, wheat. At this time, you will see a very uncomfortable itchy mouth feeling. This syndrome often occurs in people with a history of nasopharyngitis, bronchitis, laryngitis. Pineapple causes oral allergy syndrome when the body's immune system mistakes the protein in pineapple with pollen, causing irritation or itching of the tongue for a long time. People with a history of nasopharyngitis, bronchial asthma, laryngitis should not eat much to avoid the risk of recurrence and worsening of the disease. 11. Affects the digestive tract. Pineapple contains many organic acids and some enzymes that increase stomach and intestinal ulcers or increase heartburn and reflux in people with gastroesophageal reflux disease. This condition will easily make the patient experience a feeling of nausea, discomfort in the throat, and frequent indigestion. Another thing to note is that you should not eat pineapple on an empty stomach because it will cause fatigue, headache, dizziness, low blood pressure, even abdominal pain, diarrhea, and vomiting. 12. Increases the risk of miscarriage. If you are past your due date, pineapple can be helpful for you. However, this does not mean that you should regularly eat pineapple to stimulate childbirth because each fresh pineapple contains a small amount of bromelain. If you eat a pineapple every day, you will experience dangerous uterine contractions. During the first trimester of pregnancy, pregnant women should not eat or drink pineapple juices because it can cause uterine contractions, leading to miscarriage, diarrhea, or allergies. 13. Causing food poisoning. Pineapple is a shrub that grows close to the ground, rough skin, eyes deep into the fruit body, so it is easy to become the residence of a poisonous fungus called Candida tropicalis. This fungus usually grows on moist ground in the summer, which coincides with the pineapple ripening season. When pineapple is crushed, fungi and bacteria will have favorable conditions to penetrate deep into the pineapple, causing food poisoning. People with Candida infection will often experience fatigue, irritability, diarrhea, itching, and hives. When buying pineapple, you need to choose fruits that are not crushed and must be intact. To get the ripest, sweetest pineapple, choose one that is yellow-gold in color with large, flat, consistently sized scales. Advise the fruit enthusiasts at wellbeingsecrets.com. You should be able to clearly smell the pineapple's distinctive fresh, sweet scent. The skin should be firm, with just a bit of give. Tugging on the leaves is no indicator of ripeness, so leave those alone. When eating, you need to peel off the skin and eyes deep into the fruit body. Warning: if side effects occur. If you experience dermatitis or skin rash from the juice, sap, or thorns of a pineapple, wash the area with soap and water as soon as possible. If you experience nausea or vomiting, stop eating any part of the pineapple. In most cases, symptoms resolve themselves within a few hours, but if you experience swelling or irritation of the mouth accompanied by skin rash or labored breathing, you may be experiencing an allergic reaction to the pineapple, or a negative interaction between the bromelain and a medication you are taking. In this case, seek medical attention immediately. Although pineapple has many effects that are not only beneficial to health but also beautify the skin, lose weight, there are still many harmful effects that you must be careful with. You should eat pineapple in moderation to avoid unwanted side effects. The weight loss physicians at dietdoc.com recommend you should ensure that you do not cross the recommended daily allowance of 1 to 2 cups a day. If you are having problems with diseases that cause reactions to pineapple, it is best not to eat. In case you experience serious symptoms after eating pineapple. If your tongue pain includes tongue swelling, you might be having an emergency. Tongue swelling that occurs shortly after you eat pineapple might be a sign of anaphylaxis, a severe allergic reaction that causes your throat to swell, resulting in shortness of breath and wheezing. Other symptoms include stomach pain, skin irritation, facial swelling, dizziness, flushing of the skin, a drop in blood pressure and a racing heartbeat. You need to immediately go to medical facilities for timely examination and treatment, avoiding the risk of poisoning affecting health. Even it can lead to death if left untreated. Note: you must be absolutely careful. Pineapple juice has a lot of great benefits to maintain a healthy and strong body. And in fact, pineapple juice has harmed you and can cause food poisoning, even causes dangerous symptoms if you eat it incorrectly.